Bombat Anushka and welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys have watched my 2x2 Rubik's Cube solving video, and as I had told you guys in that video that I'm gonna show you how I'll solve 3x3 cubes in some more days. Finally have came with that video. Yes, today I'm gonna solve 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Here we go. This is my sweet Rubik's Cube, and I'm really very excited to show you guys that how I'll solve 3x3 cube, and in these 2 days I have learned to solve 3x3 cube also. So come on, let's start the video. So guys, I had given this cube to my mom and she jumbled it very nicely again. As I had told you guys in the 2x2 video, she has jumbled it nicely. So come on, let's start. This cube, and I'm very happy, and yes, even this cube also, actually it's more like you have to always concentrate on this when you're solving the cube. Your mind should be always running when you're solving this cube. Actually, I thought this 3x3 will be easy for me because I know to solve 2x2. Actually, 2x2 will, some methods of 2x2 will help to solve 3x3. But yeah, because as these are 3 levels and 3 layers, and in 2x2 there are only 2 layers, and for 3x3 there are 3 layers. So if you try to solve this cube with that 2x2 method, basically, however, like whatever you do, it doesn't become solved because this is completely a different cube. Actually, even I tried it in different ways and finally I'm doing it, and I'm very happy that I'm solving this. Even my parents too, even they are very happy. And hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.